So between midwife appointments and running errands all the time and work and regular everyday average life, our house is a wreck. And one of my things before the baby comes is to do one big huge house clean. And so today, that is on my to-do list. I'll be 39 weeks tomorrow as of the making of this video, which is Friday. Today's Thursday, so I probably won't even get this up until the weekend. But the house is crazy. It's partially because we haven't been home, partially because I haven't cleaned. So there's that. And when you have a child in the house and a dog in the house and a husband who works constantly, the house gets dirty, especially when you have a job too. So I am getting this house in shape as much as I can today. There are some things that I can't do because we have renovations going on. I'm only working on the upstairs. I am not touching the basement. Not my zone. Not my place. And then I'm going to show you nesting. True nesting. Because y'all, I am over the mess. So let me just go through and show you what everything looks like and what my plan is. Living room. Y'all have seen this so many times. How many times have you seen this? We had a Costco dump. Dumped there. There's shoes, towels, trash. Door needs to be cleaned again. Boots. This is new. There's stuff on top that's not supposed to be there. Water bottles. Junk that just gets shoved. Junior's been sleeping on the sofa, so I've got to get that cleaned up. And then just get mess cleaned up. Again, with the Costco haul. And this is breakfast cleanup. And stuff that needs to be put away. This stuff needs to go to the attic. This stuff is Costco. This stuff is Costco. Dishes need to be done. This stuff is just needs to be put away. So the kitchen will be simple. It's just stuff that needs to be put away. And then I need to mop and vacuum. The hallway is a wreck because we apparently don't know how to put our clothes in a laundry basket. And this is just stuff that needs to go downstairs. There's the nursery, which I haven't showed you yet because it's not finished. Bathroom, again, so stupid simple to clean. There's just stuff on here that needs to be cleaned. There's 1,000,001 of these things laying around my house. And I need to scrub the bathtub today. That's not dirt, that's just stain. But I just need to scrub the bathtub and get the wash rags out from earlier this week and then clean the floor. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you some things I got from Grove Collaborative again this month. Mostly this, the Method Heavy Duty Degreaser. All natural, really loving it. You can see I've used a lot of it already. Obviously I'm not going to show you this in this video. It's the Sweet Orange Baby Wash. They have, you know, hygienic items on Grove Collaborative as well, so I got one of those. I got some lemon verbena dish soap because I'm almost out of my other scent. I love these walnut scrubbers, so I got some more of those. And then I got some glass straws. I was actually looking for stainless steel straws. Let's see if I can get this out in one piece. But I found these glass ones, and it comes with a little cleaner too. Let's see if I can pull one out for you. That's what they look like. And I drink more water out of a straw than I do out of a cup. So I got these because I really wanted to cut back on some plastic. So these were a good deal, and so I got them. Funny story, I actually had another order go through before I was finished putting my order in with Grove Collaborative. And I contacted them and said, hey, I didn't mean to put that order through. And they're so fast that they had already processed it and they were getting ready to ship it. And they were like, hey, you know what? Go ahead. If you get the order, keep it or give it away or whatever. And then we'll send you the order that you really wanted. So I have this, and then I have a double order that I got from last month. So I got a whole ton of free stuff. They were so thoughtful about it. And so I cannot recommend Grove Collaborative to you guys enough. If you're looking for natural cleaners, natural, personal care products, I'm really digging them. So you can find the link in the description below this video and get some free stuff. So I really like to start with just cleaning up all of the trash. If I can get all the trash, all the water bottles, everything, makes life so much easier. I filled that trash bag up and it's just crazy ridiculous. Next comes vacuuming. This room gets so muddy it's basically our mud room and our sitting room. I'm trying out this e-cloth from Grove Collaborative, but I'm going to show you I actually don't like it near as well as the Norwex Enviro cloth. It's supposed to be like that. It does not work like that. You can see I'm trying to do the door and I ended up having to go get my degreaser and some other cleaning products to clean the door. It doesn't work as well as Norwex, but it still got the job done. Next, I'm using my Norwex wand. It's a great dusting wand. I really enjoy it. I haven't been able to find a comparable to this, but it dusts really well and lets me get into high spots. I'm still loving my O-Cedar Mop. You can find the link to this mop down in the description below, and I'll also leave a link in the right-hand corner so you can check it out in full force. One of my favorite things about Grove Collaborative is they have cleaner concentrates, and you can use these glass bottles to put the concentrates together. And this is one of my favorite products, is the glass cleaner concentrate. Now it's time to head to the kitchen. This is the problem area in every house, I think, but especially a farmhouse or one where you spend a lot of time cooking. And so this is just a normal, average, what our kitchen looks like every day until it gets clean. Oh yeah, I was way behind on dishes this day. But again, that's what happens when you actually live in your house. You have lots of dishes every day, right? And it seems like we use the same dishes over and over, so we just keep on going. So obviously we had a wardrobe change. I was not digging my husband's old t-shirt. It was just way too loose and making me sweaty. So there are not very many clothes I can fit into right now, which is one more reason why I am so ready for baby Everett to be here. So yeah, we finally got that new toilet seat that I was talking about in my last Clean With Me video. So happy we have a toilet seat that actually looks good now. Here's a little before, and here's a little after. Not bad. All right, this mama is tired. Baby's got the hiccups. I'm hungry. Want to get some lunch going and maybe start on getting dinner ready. And feeling pretty good about most of the house right now. It's not perfect, but it's not gonna be. I mean, it's gonna be messy because we live in it, and but it's clean, and that's what matters most to me. So don't forget to check out the Grove Collaborative link in my description for all of the information on the cleaners that I used. Really loving the degreaser. I kind of used it on everything. It smells really good. It works really good. It's the Method cleaner, and I just decided to try it out today and see how it works since it was new, and I'm really enjoying it. So check it out. Get some free stuff. Sign up. It's really worth it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a great day. Happy homemaking.